Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm Ori from BlackBerry. We had some issues with the sound, but gladly we solved it out. We are going to use the sound a lot in this small talk. And today we are going to talk about accessibility. Let's start with a few common misconceptions some of you may have about what accessibility is. So first of all, accessibility is not just about blind people. There are many diseases that can cause blurry vision. There is also color blindness. And when we get to the age, around the age of 40, the lenses inside our eyes starts to lose its flexibility, and we are no longer able to focus on closer objects such as laptop screens or our mobile devices. In addition to that, during the course of our life, the receptor cells inside our retina slowly die out, so don't go out to the sun too much without sunglasses. And the resolution of our vision gets lower and lower as we go on with our life. So eventually, we are all the target audience of accessibility. Furthermore, blind or visually impaired or disabled people use the keyboard as the main way to access software, technology, websites, and we can help them by including accessibility, baking it into inside our web apps. We can make their life easier and make it more useful for them. And you may imagine that blind people use screen readers, but it's a little different, probably a little different than what you have in mind. Let me show you how it's used in practice. Yes, that fast. And now, let's do some live coding. We are going to use a screen reader, free one. It's a Chrome extension called ChromeVox. And I'm going to switch to the screen where we have this very nice Angular app. It's the same demo that everybody uses now in their presentations because it's the default, and we all love defaults. And the first thing we are going to do, we are going to make ourselves a little blind. So we are going to apply a blur filter to this page, and now you can see the app, and now you can't see it. It's blurry. Thank you. And we're going to build a little Stack Overflow-like app with questions and answers, where you can upvote for your favorite questions. But unfortunately, you can't really see what's going on here. So I'm going to switch on the screen reader extension. Come on. Did it switch on? Did we get any sound?
Vox is now inactive. App works.
Oh, yeah.
Why does HTML think Chuck Norris is a color?
Yes. That's a real question from Stack Overflow. Why does HTML think Chuck Norris is a color? Google it after to find the answer. And I really like this question. I want to upvote for it. So I'm going to try to use my tab key to get there.
Address and search unknown.
Unknown.
Address and search bar. Localhost 4 unknown.
I can't get there. I can't vote for the question I like so much. But don't worry. We are going to solve this just by adding a few attributes to our component that implements the upvote. So we are going to add a couple of HTML attributes. We have here the tab index, which is making this element available for the keyboard to use. We also have this roll button, which makes it the screen reader read out that it's a button. And we also have a description, which the screen reader will read. So let's test it out and see if I can now upvote for this lovely question.
Window, upvote.
I got the upvote button. Wait, I didn't use it yet. Just a moment.
20. Upvote, 20.
So we have 20 votes. I'm going to click the button now.
Upvote. Clicked. Upvote button. Why did upvote 21?
Yes, I managed to vote for it. Thank you. So yeah, what I want you to take home from here. Start using tab index, roll, and etc. Oh, by the way, if you want the code for this demo, I'm going to tweet it right now. So you can find it on Twitter and play with it. And what I want you to take home from here. First of all, start using tab index, roll, etc. I'm going to publish a blog post about it. in just a few hours on Twitter with a complete code example. Second thing I want you to do, start testing your apps as visually challenged person. Just use the keyboard, you can use the blur filter, or you can simply close your eyes or shut down the monitor. And finally, I really love the Angular community. I think this is an awesome community. So let's build accessible apps and set an example for others to follow. Thank you.